Welcome back to Alltech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today we're diving into a game-changing gadget for Apple users, the ET Wireless CarPlay Adapter. If you're tired of dealing with tangled cables but still want full CarPlay functionality, this adapter is the perfect upgrade for your car. Let's see what makes it stand out. If your car already has wired CarPlay, this wireless CarPlay adapter transforms it into a completely wireless experience. That means you can access navigation, calls, messages, and music without ever plugging in your phone. No more clutter, no more hassle, just a smooth, convenient drive with full CarPlay features. Setting up the ET Wireless CarPlay adapter is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Plug it into your car's USB or USB-C port. Step 2. Connect it to your iPhone via Bluetooth. Step 3. Enjoy wireless CarPlay instantly. Once paired, it automatically reconnects every time you get in your car, saving you time and effort. No need for apps or extra drivers, just plug it in and go. With Bluetooth 5.0 and a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection, this adapter delivers a fast, stable link between your iPhone and your car. Whether you're on a long road trip or just running errands, you'll enjoy smooth music streaming with no lag, accurate GPS navigation without signal drops, and clear call quality with zero interruptions. This means a seamless driving experience without any annoying connection issues. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. The ET Wireless CarPlay Adapter supports iOS 10 and above, works with almost any iPhone that supports CarPlay. Over 800 car models, compatible with most factory-installed wired CarPlay systems, USB and USB-C adapters included, so you can connect easily, no matter what type of port your car has. With such broad compatibility, you can confidently upgrade your CarPlay setup without worries. One of the best things about this wireless CarPlay adapter is its sleek, compact design. It's small enough to fit anywhere, blending seamlessly with your car's interior. Plus, the rugged build and efficient heat dissipation ensure long-lasting durability. The ET Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a must-have for Apple users who want wireless freedom in their car. It's fast, reliable, easy to install, and compatible with most vehicles. If you love convenience, clutter-free driving, and smooth connectivity, this is the perfect CarPlay upgrade for you. What do you think? Would you upgrade to wireless CarPlay? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews on Alltech.